So we had to like trek for 200 meters to reach this place, and that's our room, like that's our house for 2 days. Damn. So this is the Kannada Homestay, and just check the view from our windows. That's our room. It's really hot in here, but yeah, it will get cold after one bathroom for so many people. So we have to share with them.
लेफ्ट एक टर्न था ना, इधर से 8 किलोमीटर पहले उधर जाके जाना.
कहाँ पे?
You have to go back on the way to Chikmagalur. वो कनाडा का highest peak है, next to Ooty Dodabetta. Height is around 6,480. This is 5,380.
Nice.
More 1,000.
1,000.
We'll go in the morning. It's hopefully going to rain, so we are in our boxes, ready to get wet. Bag milka! Okay. It's not that heavy rainfall, but you can hear the thunder. See those raindrops.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Whoa! Can you hear it, guys? And the rain is here. बारिश हो रही है. Oh, it's very cold, but we are like in the middle of Paris hill and we are just dancing in the rain. Come on. Whoa! It's cold! Everyone is singing, but we are dancing in the rain. Cool! Everyone is shivering because it's really cold rainwater here. Woo! We are heading back to our rooms and we'll just chill here because it looks like it's night, but it's 3 p.m. in the evening. Woo! Woo! So yeah, day 1 reporting live from Chikkamagaluru. It's raining here. No network, nothing. As you can see, the path is all wet. It's slippery. Be careful. Okay guys, so it's 6 p.m. in the evening and it's all dried up now, and as you can see it's not much dark, so we are heading towards the town and we'll be having our dinner and all there, and then we'll head back to this place. Nothing explored today. Yeah, so I don't think you can see the sun, but it will go down from the mountain. Okay guys, so yeah, after a good sleep we are now back to the town and we'll be eating our dinner at Maharaja restaurant. And yeah, I just got to know that there is a rule in Chikkamagaluru that you have to park the bike in right and the cars in left. As you can see, there are cars all around that area, and now there are bikes in the left and right hand side. So yeah, after 20 kilometers the weather is really like normal, and then when we reach our hotel it will be more chilled out. So yeah, we are now going to our homestay.
Going back to our place. We have food, we have chips, we have everything sorted, and now it's party time.
Party time. Okay guys, so as we are doing bonfire here. So that was day one in Chikmagalur. We completed our road trip, and yeah, then we enjoyed the rainwater, and it was a hailstorm and all. Then in the evening we just relaxed for some time and we headed towards the Chikmagalur city. And now we are doing this bonfire, as you can see. And we'll head back to our rooms soon and plan for tomorrow.